going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at another classic trainer. This is the Adidas SL72 in the cloud white, glow blue, and glory red colorway. These were suggested by Gabriel Galvao. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, so thanks for the suggestion. These retail for $90 on Adidas website, so a bit more expensive than other comparable trainers. Anyways, let's get the box open and take a closer look. So there it is, the SL72. Let's get them both out here. Quick background, the SL72 debuted at the 1972 Olympics in Munich and were designed to be lightweight, hence the SL, which stands for super light. The upper is made out of a mixture of synthetic suede, leather, and a lightweight breathable nylon mesh. The midsole is an EVA foam and it's got a rubber outsole. Onto the features of the shoe, starting with the tongue, we got the trefoil logo. Interestingly, the SL72 was the first shoe that featured the trefoil. The tongue is made out of a foam-like material that has a weave-looking pattern to it and is perforated for maximum breathability. Moving down, we have the synthetic suede inserts surrounding the laces and the toe box. At the toe, we also have some nice textured rubber. At the side, we have the 3 stripes surrounded by the nylon mesh. We get very little lining, pretty much just some synthetic leather at the back and sides, with no extra padding to keep an extra slim profile. At the back we have the Adidas logo on a blue tab and some more suede. On the side of the rubber, we again have the Adidas logo tooled in, and above that, the blue stripe going across the shoe is actually the EVA foam. Lastly, at the bottom we have a heavy tread pattern that Adidas describes as a vintage era traction and dynamics system, which is a way better description of anything I could have thought of. Overall though, a really clean vintage trainer from Adidas. This is the type of shoe that screams summer, from the colorway to the breathability. Anyways, that's all you need to know about this shoe. Let's get these on feet. On feet, these live up to the name, super light. They're very lightweight and have a really slim profile. Although these are narrow looking shoes, they fit me comfortably and true to size. I noticed that the laces are very long on these shoes, but I'm pretty sure that's by design because these are trainers. Also, the tongue squeaks a bit when walking. Overall though, I'm really happy with these shoes. They're comfortable, lightweight, sleek, and look really good. Well, that's going to be it for me guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.